Okay, so I'm really deeply immersed in the whole online education, learning how to build businesses online. And for someone who has done a few things online, but still a newbie in so many ways, maybe some might say that old fella over 40 who's learning how to build online businesses. What did I learn today? And what do I want to share with you that could help you on your online business building journey to learn how to build new income streams, secure your future, get ahead of the game, have multiple streams of income, and I think most importantly be of service to people, because this is what I've learned. It's really good to have a goal. It's really good to want to build an online business. But two things I learned today. Who is that little group of people, that very small but sweet group of people, that if you could help 1,000 people with whatever it is that you're passionate about, whatever it is that you feel that you could do or align with, even if it's not your products or services, but something you believe in, whether you want to help people to be better at buying houses, or teach them how to do yoga, or to be a dancer, or how to understand themselves better, how to overcome problems, how to coach them in a very specific area. Maybe it's how to get into a relationship, start a new one, whatever it is. Who's your 1,000 people? Just 1,000 people that, yes, you can make money from if you do certain things to set it up, and the money's pretty good, right? Let's say you helped 1,000 people and each of them invested $300. Once you learn how to build your business, get things set up, know how to talk to them, get in front of them, get their attention, that's 300 grand for the year. It's not bad, right? But the money, I believe, is important. But the first thing is to know, who are those 1,000 people that you want to serve? How do you want to serve them? What is it that you are passionate about wanting to be able to do for those 1,000 people to make a difference in their lives? That's what I learned today about being a newbie on the whole world of internet marketing and building online businesses. Who's your 1,000 people? Who do you want to help transform? Something good to think about on your own journey to building your own online business.